12. Father, what are you going to do?
Make y 0.
Make y 0, cool. Making this thing implicitly equal 0. Therefore,
Negative 3 over 2.
nice. 4,
Negative 5 over 4.
5 on 4, fantastic. Cool. Are those numbers mildly annoying? Yeah, okay. So, can we figure out which one's bigger?
Yes.
Yep, cool. Okay, let me rephrase that. Which one is further to the left on my axis? Cool, we're all happy, 3 on 2? Yep, cool. Alright. I'm going to make a series. No, should I? Nah. One there. Call this negative 5 on 4, 0. Call this negative 3 on 2, 0. Cool, okay. Is that to scale? No, right? Doesn't matter.
No.
No, so long as your order is preserved, the scale doesn't matter all that much. Okay, cool. Loop 1. Cool, okay. Let's move. 1. Aaron, what's next?
Make x equals 0 to get y intercept.
Cool, x equals 0 to get y intercept. What do you get?
15.
15, right? Because we've got it for free sitting up there.
Isn't that backwards? Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, 0, 15, thank you.
Oh, he's putting that in.
12 just had to go. 11. D, what's next?
Find the turning point.
Find the turning point. Okay. How are we going to do that?
Find the midpoint of those two.
Cool. Okay. So midpoint of these, negative 3 on 2, plus negative 5 on 4, all divided by 2.
Is that negative 11 on 4?
Negative 11 on 4. Cool. So you jumped all the way down. Nice. Okay. So, how did you get to there?
I was adding the top two together. I didn't know.
Wait, or is that on 8?
I think it's on 8.
Yeah, it's on 8. Close. Okay. So, how did you get to there?
I turned negative 3 on 2 into negative 6 on 4.
Nice.
And I added negative 6 and negative 5 to get negative 11 on 4, and then I halved it.
There you go.
Negative 11 on 8.
Beautiful. We're all happy? Yep, cool. Okay. Beautiful. So now we've got negative 11 on 8. Cool. What else are you going to do? I'll go next.
Oh yeah, why? Sub that into the equation.
Cool. Which equation do you want? Black, red, blue.
I'll go with blue.
Blue? I would agree that blue is probably the easiest. So we've got 2 lots of negative 11 on 8, plus 3, by 4, negative 11 on 8, plus 5. I'm going to stop picking on Dean for a second. Ready, set, go.
Oh, I'm not picking on Dean.
How is this not picking? I'm not picking specifically on you. I'm picking on everyone.
I haven't even written the thing down.
Equal opportunity sets. Finding the y coordinate. So you've got this. I just want you to work it and get a result. Yeah. I don't know. I have no idea what it is. I haven't tried to solve it. I just want you guys to work through fractions, because every practice with fractions I can force you to do, the better. Because irritatingly, the state seems to be terrible at fractions. A report came out something. We currently sit, when you guys finish high school, you are 1 year less advanced than half a dozen to a dozen other countries. I definitely see that when I mark the end of year exams for the state, because there are a lot of people that can't do some really basic stuff.
Oh, we
Oops. Small things, it's always small things. Negatives are the bane of everyone. It's always a dropping.
I want to guess those answers real quick. And then what do we do? We just times the times them together.
With 4 brackets, negative 11 over 8 plus 5, is there a misplaced bracket?
Yes. Sorry. That should be just around that one. My bad. Sorry. I got overzealous with my bracketing. Hopefully you guys didn't copy my line and actually thought for yourselves.
Done.
Nice. Cool. Okay. Who's getting caught up in the algebra? Oh, not even the algebra. Who's just getting caught up in fraction land?
I guess some of them most of that I need to check in.
Okay. So,
He gets the answer wrong.
you guys definitely need to be good with this stuff, because fractions like this are
It was like 4 plus
Okay.
5, I just guessed it.
they're a reasonable difficulty to just turn up at random through all sorts of bits and pieces. It's assumed knowledge. Cool. Okay. Out of curiosity, how many people changed this to negative 22 on 8?
Yeah.
Yep, you've made life difficult for yourselves.
Yeah.
Just make it negative 11 on 4.
Oh, that's what I got.
Yeah, because you can immediately make the numbers smaller. Yeah, whenever you get a chance to make things smaller, make them smaller. Cool, this thing will change into 12 on 4. This thing, negative 11 on 2. Plus 10 on 2. Cool, already we're looking smaller and easier. Great, this 1/4, this negative 1/2, gives me negative 1/8. Cool, cool. Who ended up with negative 1/8? Nice, nice, nice. Cool, okay. I need you to be accurate with these things, okay? Now, having said that, was that a bit annoying?
Yeah.
Would it be nice to have some slightly faster ways of doing this?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Slightly faster way of doing this guy. Turning point x coordinate is the same as negative b over 2a. So the b and a is this number, b is this number, and c is that last one. So negative b, negative 22 over 2 times 8 gives me negative 22 on 16, gives me negative 11 on 8. Done. Cool, it's a good little shortcut. Right. Having said that, you just have to remember that piece though. So, courses. We will, when we do calculus, it'll make this it'll make this a bit quicker as well in a different way again, and it'll work more generally. But that's about it. Yeah, this negative 1/8, unfortunately, you do have to work that one way or another. You're going to have to do some fraction work. So there's not too many ways to avoid that. Cool, cool. Cool. Alright, have a crack.
Oh.
Yep, you're drawing it and you're labeling all the things.
Oh.
Yeah, I could actually copy this.
What's A again?
A is the front number.
Oh, okay.
So it just goes A, x squared, B, x plus C.
Oh my gosh.
All of you guys have study space, yeah, there's no, there's no math elective anymore in 11. So far, there's only one of the year 12s who still has the year 11 textbook. He's going to sell it, so I'll point him out to you. And then all 5 of you can fight over it.
Oh man.
Yeah, done.
You're done? Nice. How long ago were you done?
Man, no.
Oh, you smashed it. Nice. So quiet. Good jury. Well, assuming that's right. So like you just got like 1, 2, 3. We'll give it another minute and a half. And it'll be just over 5 minutes.
This is way too good on the speaker.
Yeah.
I thought it was.
Okay. Okay, so you're still going, or you? Oh, okay.
I've definitely stuck those on. That is way too much.
I think I've lost it for the next one.
Who would you be?
Alright. Cool, that's just over 5 minutes. I definitely need you to be able to do this within 5 minutes. Ideally, I want you to be able to do it in 3 or less. Alright? If you can crack down to about 2 minutes, you're doing really well. Assuming you got it right. Okay. Alright. Is anyone totally confident with their result?
I didn't get a result.
You didn't get a result, but you can't be confident. Cool, okay.
Oh, I forgot to.
I'm happy that no one is confident in their result because that shows a degree of humility and understanding that these numbers got ugly. So I'm okay. Alright. Next few steps. Negative 5 on 3. And negative 2 on 7. Cool. Here. On that. 3. This is negative 2 on 7, 0, negative 5 on 3, 0. Cool, 3, 1, 10. Everyone's happy so far? Not happy. Okay. Negative b is put up here. Negative b on 2a equals negative 41 on 42. So it's not one, yeah. Negative 41 on 42. Oh, I can see why people are struggling with that. Okay. 3 lots of negative 41 on 42 plus 5 multiplied by 7. So negative 41 on 42.
I've got a message.
I think I'm going to upset people in a second. Negative 41 on, what's this?
Oh, I got
Yeah, I did that.
Yep.
Maybe,
Plus 70 on 14.
I also did this.
Negative 41 on 6.
I also did
Plus 12 on 6.
Oh,
You always want to make those
Oh,
numbers smaller as fast as possible. Get up. Alright.
No, it's on the screen.
No, that's me.
Oh, that's you.
I'm just waiting.
That's not a check of what
Oh, you just want
I
to check. So, okay. Negative 29 on 14 by.
Damn it!
Where are you at? 29 again? 6? No, that can't be right, can it?
Yeah, I think it is. That's what I got.
29, 29 and 6, cool. Ugh. 29's just, jeez.
So much for no calculators.
1, 8, you don't need a calculator.
I don't know, but I want one.
No, you want one. Oh, that's unlucky.
Wouldn't be negative 39?
Yep, thank you. What did I just do? This, yep. 4, 9, 7, 841 over 6 by 14, 4 to 84. That sound right? Yeah.
You want?
There's no commas in there, so negative 841 on 84. You happy with that, TJ? Cool. That is an absolute bitch.
I know.
Having said that, you should still did you get it?
No.
No. Alright. Did you get everything except that value?
I also did that.
Did everyone get everything except for the 841?
I only do 20 left. I hate that. You're all mad at me, Dad.
At least my elegance and checking his ass.
Be funny.
We'll do these
Can we not?
quickly.
But,
So, with this, x is -3 and only -3, yeah?
okay.
What does that mean?
We don't want parabola. That's just a straight one.
Not a straight line, just turning. Right, that is the turning point. It only just barely touches it and then bounces off. Right, the other way you can figure that out is if you go negative,
Maybe it's like over.
negative b on 2a, okay, negative b, negative 6, 2 lots of a is just 2, is negative 3, so that is our turning point as well, right? Cool, and then other bit, 0, 9. Cool, and then we're done. Yeah, that's super nice. Perfect squares, really nice. Cool.
It's really nice and long.
Next guy, x equals
Will there be questions like that on the test, the other one?
this.
Yeah.
They might be, but they'll be worth less as a result. Yeah, you get more marks. Like this will be worth at least twice that. Yeah.
No, like the other one.
The other one, which other one?
Fx.
Do they also have x? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, that's 3.
3, this? Yeah, so that'll be worth like 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4, maybe 5 marks, probably 5 marks.
No.
And what's about 5 and 4 and 2?
1, 2,
1, 2.
yeah,
3, 4.
maybe 3, but probably 2.
I'm writing this
Oh
down.
no, yeah, probably 3 and 5, I guess. Anyway, cool, this guy we get negative 4 plus root 12, and negative 4 minus root 12.
I don't like words.
Cool, okay. How do we figure out where these have to go?
Manifest this way. Pardon?
How do we figure out where these are on the number line? Say again? Turn them into surds, okay. That'll actually make things a lot slightly worse, but okay. We should simplify them anyway. So we get 2 root 3, negative 5 minus 2 root 3. Okay.
No, I'll put it.
So we got that. Cool,
So,
alright.
plus 2, it means that's the smaller one. And the big one, and the minus one is the left one.
Okay, so this is to the left, this is to the right.
And I just,
Okay, I agree that this one's way off on the left. So this is negative 4 minus 2 root 3, 0.
I'm getting really
Is
upset.
this one here or here? Is it greater than or less than 0?
It's not great at all.
Less than, how do you know?
This is a negative 4.
There we go. Excuse me. Root 12, is that bigger or smaller than 4? Smaller, right? Because 9 would be 3, 16 would be 4, this is in between. So it's 3 point something, negative 3 plus 3 point something would still be negative. Yeah? So that's how you figure that out. This was whatever it was, negative 4 plus 2 root 3, 0. Go. Intercept of 0, 4. Cool. What's my x for my turning point? The x for the
No, it's negative 12 and positive 4. Oh no, it's 12 and 4. No, negative 4.
negative 4 straight away.
Yeah.
Negative
Because
4, negative 12.
You just cancel it.
negative 4 plus this, negative 4 minus this. Negative 4's in the middle of them. Cool. What's the y? Negative 12. How'd you get that so quick? Hey, we got it in turning point form. That's handy. Cool. So it's handy to be able to switch these things because it saves you doing this garbage. Cool. Last one. X intercepts.
Oh, the turning point is easily 5 and negative 5 and 75. Oh,
How do you get x intercepts?
x equals 75
Make
and
this
5.
thing equal 0, yeah? Okay. If I make that equal 0, I've got x minus 5 squared equals negative 75. Then I get x minus 5 equals the square root of negative 75.
Plus 1?
Okay, plus minus, fine.
X.
Right. Therefore, no solutions. Square root of a negative. Can't do that. Cool. Okay. What can we find for this?
Turning point?
Turning point is
75 and 75.
575, which is way up here
I'm
somewhere.
not writing that one down.
And
Cool.
the y-intercept, which is 100.
Y intercept is 100, right? That's still going on this way.
question, Sue.
Yep.
So you know if it's a negative, if A was a negative number, it'd be flipped upside down, right?
Yep.
How would you get the parabola to go this way, that way?
Inverse.
We will touch on that next year.
Oh.
Not yet.
No.
What is there a way?
Hold about it.
That's a
That's a good
way.
question. And now I'm interested.
Okay, cool. So, the one last thing I wanted to touch on was, all of these have been positive parabolas, right?
Oh.
And then flip it over, right? What has to happen?
Yeah.
Negative what?
A.
A, right? So the square has to have a negative in front of it somewhere. So you can negative 21, that'll still be negative. Yeah, and then it'll flip the whole thing over. Right? Be careful when you do that. So say we have that. Actually, let's do. No, we'll do that. That's fine. Cool. All right. I want to factorize this. How do I do it?
Put negative in front.
Well, negative out the front, and that means all the negatives came out the front. Yeah. Right, and then you go as normal from there. So just be careful about that. So cool. That's it. Oh, I don't have the textbook.
Will that still mean the parabola will be upside down?
Yes, that means the parabola will be upside down. And you'll be able to figure it out because when you figure out your x-intercept will be negative 8, your y-intercepts will be both in the negatives over here. So you'll have dot, dot, dot. The only way to connect that is that way around. So now we can do 3D, 3F, and I think that's it. Let's have it on top. 3D, 3F.
3D, 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 2D, or 3D and 3D?
3D.
Oh, that's not too difficult.
That's what you think.
We're getting towards the end. We've only got 2 classes left. There's only one more idea that I want to touch on, basically. Then there's one kind of bonus idea that I don't particularly care about.
Wait, I'm going to that was something fun, nothing that was.
Yeah, fun and you're not here Wednesday, don't you? Leave on the 10th, which is a Tuesday. You guys are gone on the 10th, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, look at one.
Yeah.
Tuesday's last day.
Yeah. So we've got Monday, and then Tuesday no class. We've got
Next
Wednesday
week,
class
Tuesday.
after that. We're not gonna
So this is the last week.
This is the third class.
Cool.
Any questions, queries, comments?
That is 3D.
Since
Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
Yep.
What will we actually doing?
Okay.